Welcome to AutoVision, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the automotive world. Today, we're diving into a car that has been a favorite among compact car enthusiasts for years, the Ford Focus. But this time, it's back with a 2025 model that's more stylish, more powerful, and packed with cutting-edge technology. Let's take a closer look at what makes this new Ford Focus a game-changer. Scene: wide-angle shot of the Ford Focus from the front, panning across its grille and headlights. The 2025 Ford Focus embraces a bold new design, with a wider stance and a more aerodynamic shape. The front fascia features a striking grille that seamlessly blends into its sleek LED headlights, giving it a sharp and aggressive look. The sculpted hood and refined lines along the sides enhance its sporty appeal, making it stand out in any crowd. Scene: close-up of the rear end, showcasing the taillights and bumper. Moving to the rear, the new taillight design adds a modern touch, while the bumper has been refined for a more premium feel. Whether you choose the hatchback or sedan variant, the 2025 Focus ensures you make a statement wherever you go. Scene: interior shots, showing the dashboard, seats, and infotainment system. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the upgraded interior. Ford has focused on premium materials and smart design, creating a cabin that feels both comfortable and high-tech. The dashboard is equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster and a large infotainment screen, seamlessly integrated with Ford's latest sync system. With wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, staying connected has never been easier. Scene: demonstration of the infotainment system and voice control features. The voice-activated controls allow you to adjust settings without taking your hands off the wheel, ensuring a safer and more convenient driving experience. Plus, the premium audio system delivers crystal-clear sound, making every journey more enjoyable. Scene: showcasing the seats and spaciousness of the interior. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, with ergonomic support and high-quality upholstery options. Whether you're commuting through the city or embarking on a long road trip, the Focus provides ample legroom and a smooth ride for both the driver and passengers. Scene: highlighting the engine and performance details. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford Focus offers multiple powertrain options, catering to different driving preferences. The base model features a fuel-efficient yet responsive turbocharged engine, while the higher trims come with a more powerful variant for those who crave extra performance. With improved fuel efficiency and a finely tuned suspension, the new Focus delivers a balanced combination of power and control. Scene: footage of the car driving through different terrains, city roads, highways, and curves. The handling has been refined for an engaging driving experience. Thanks to Ford's advanced chassis engineering and precise steering, the Focus feels nimble and confident, whether you're navigating busy streets or taking on sharp corners. Scene: focus on the hybrid variant, showing the charging port and eco-friendly features. For those looking for a greener option, Ford has also introduced a hybrid version of the Focus, designed to reduce emissions while maintaining impressive performance. The hybrid model ensures you get the best of both worlds, efficiency and power, all in one compact package. Scene: highlighting the safety features, showcasing sensors and cameras. Safety has always been a priority for Ford, and the 2025 Focus is no exception. It comes equipped with Ford Copilot 360, a suite of advanced safety features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies work together to provide a safer and more confident driving experience. Scene: displaying the different trim options and color choices. The Focus is available in multiple trims, each offering unique features to cater to different driving needs. Whether you prefer a sporty ST line or a more refined titanium edition, there's a Focus for everyone. Plus, with a variety of exterior colors to choose from, you can personalize your ride to match your style. Scene: showroom shots with pricing details appearing on screen. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Ford Focus remains a competitively priced option in its segment, offering great value for the features it packs. While official pricing varies based on the trim and options, Ford ensures that you get a balance of affordability and premium quality. Scene: final cinematic shots of the Ford Focus driving away. So, is the 2025 Ford Focus the right car for you? If you're looking for a stylish, tech-savvy, and fun-to-drive compact car, then this might just be your perfect match. With its blend of performance, comfort, and innovation, Ford has once again set a high standard in the segment. Scene: host standing next to the car, wrapping up the video. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Ford Focus. What do you think of this new model? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AutoVision for more in-depth car reviews and the latest updates from the automotive world. Scene: AutoVision logo animation with a call to action. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.